Hey everyone, welcome back to Pandas series. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the very interesting concept which is filter data. Many people struggle to answer questions related to filter data. Let's say, for example, you have a data set with you. Already I have uploaded sales.csv and first I have to import the data. Well, importing pandas and also just loading the data using pd.read_csv. Okay, so basically I have this data set with me, right? So now the question is, what if I want to fetch how many orders are there related to South region? Or what if I want to see like how many orders are there related to furniture? Or what if I want to know like how many orders are there related to furniture and sales is greater than some value? So how do you filter data based on conditions? That's where we have a concept called as filter data. So filter data concept is used to fetch the rows and columns based on a specific condition. Usually if you want to fetch data based on condition, single condition, multiple conditions, we just go with the filter data concept. Very interesting. I'm pretty much sure you'll enjoy it. First, let me show you how you can filter data based on a single condition. When I say single condition, usually we use a comparison operators like equal, not equal, greater, lesser, something like that. Okay, my first question is, fetch all the orders east from west region. So we all know that west comes under region, right? So very simple. So first you have to fetch the column that you are looking for. So we are looking for a region column. I'm just using a law. Okay, great. So we have fetched a region column. Now my condition is related to what? My condition is related to region, and condition is region should be west. So I'm just using double equal and I'm going to give a value which is west. So what it will do now, it will return me all the region values. Wherever it is west, it's giving me true. Wherever it is different region, it's giving me false. Okay, it is finding or it is returning you all the rows in a region column, but it's giving you in terms of boolean, true or a false. Wherever it's a west region, it's giving you true. Wherever it's a different regions, it's giving a false. Now I want to filter all the regions related to west. Wherever you have a true values, you have to filter it out. So for that, what I'll do, I'll just use our data and I'll put my condition within a square bracket. That's it. This is going to help me in fetching all the orders related to west region. How do you confirm whether it's related to west or not? You can see, if you scroll, you will see only the west related information. I hope it's clear. This is how you find all the orders related to west region. Great. My next question. So can you fetch all the orders which are not related to technology? So you have to fetch all the orders which are not related to technology. Not related in the sense it should be not equal, right? So technology comes in a category. So first let me try to fetch the technology. The column which includes a technology, that is a category, data.log. And I'm trying to fetch the category column. You can see. So now what I'll do, which was equal to. So my condition is not related to technology, right? I have to fetch all the orders related to furniture, office supplies, but not related to technology, except technology. That means I have to use a not equal. Not equal, I'll just say technology. So T should be capital, be careful. So now what it will do? Column equals condition, value I give. So it will give you true wherever you have a technology. Sorry, it gives you false wherever you have a technology, and it gives you true for rest of the categories, right? Now I want to filter that data wherever it's a true. Okay, so I'm just calling data, I'm putting my condition within a square bracket, see? So it is returning me all the orders related to furniture and office supplies, and it is ignoring technology related products. Because my question was all the orders which are not related to technology. Hope it's clear. Great. My next question. What if I need to fetch all the orders? Fetch all the orders where profit is negative. Where profit is negative. Simple. We'll try to fetch a profit column, data.log. Try to fetch the profit column. Great. Okay. So now Negative in the sense we just say less than 0, right? So now it will return your Boolean value wherever profit is less than 0, it gives you true. Wherever it's greater than 0, it just gives you false. Now we have to filter all the rows wherever the profit is negative, right? So I just need to call a data. From data, we are filtering this condition. So there are almost like 1871 rows where you could see the negative profits. Can you see here? Hope it's clear. Great. Next one. I just want to fetch all the orders where quantity is greater than 5. Again, same thing, data.log. My question is related to quantity. First, let me try to fetch the quantity column equal. It's greater than 5, right? So condition should be greater than 5. So it gives you true wherever the quantity is greater than 5. If it's less than 5, it will be true. Sorry, greater than 5 will be true, less than 5 means it will be a false. Okay, now I just want to filter this condition from entire data. I'll just use data off. See, these are the orders wherein the quantity is greater than 5. I hope it's clear. So this is how you filter data based on a single conditions. I hope you understood. Okay, now the question is how do you filter based on multiple conditions? Interesting one. Let's say, for example, my question is find all the orders, find all the orders related to technology where profit is negative. Look into the question carefully and understand how many conditions you have. Find all the orders related to technology. Technology comes under a category, first condition, where profit is negative, second condition. So you have multiple conditions. So we know when there are multiple conditions, we have to use AND operator, logical operator, so that here both the conditions should be true. The product should be related to technology and also profit should be negative. So both the conditions should be true. So I'm going to use an AND operator. In a pandas, we don't use AND as it is. We just use a symbol and symbol. Okay. So again, very simple. So first call your data, first condition and second condition. Right, like this. So you have to filter your conditions from your data, right? Data within a square bracket, right? First condition parenthesis and second condition parenthesis. And you know how to write conditions already you learned. So how to write the first condition? First condition is related to category. So data.log, comma, category is equal to technology. Then with the first condition. Second condition is related to profit. Data.log, colon, comma, try to fetch the profit column and it should be less than 0. Just run. So there are 271 orders related to our technology wherein we got a negative profit. Wherein the profit is negative. Wherein the profit is negative. I hope it's clear. One more question. So find all the orders. Find all the orders related to foods where quantity is quantity is less than 5. Again, two conditions are there, and we have to use an AND operator data, first condition, and second condition. You know, foods comes under a subcategory. So just call data.log. Try to fetch a subcategory column. S should be capital, C should be capital, which is equal to data.log, subcategory equal to foods. P should be capital, be careful. And then second condition is related to quantity, so it should be data.log, comma, quantity less than 5. Done. So this is going to give you all the orders related to phones. You can see related to phones where quantity is less than 5. This is how you filter based on two conditions when both the conditions should be true. Let me give one more question. So can you find all the orders least from, find all the orders least from either east or west region. So here it's either of condition. So you have to use or operator and the symbol is going to be straight line symbol. So again, same thing, data, square bracket, first condition or second condition. There can be multiple conditions as well. So data.log, my first condition was related to a region. Let me try to fetch a region column equal west. Second condition, data.log, fix the colon, comma, column is region and value is related to east, right? Double equal east. Done. So write like this so that you don't really get confused with the brackets and all. So be careful about the brackets and all. So this is how you find all the orders placed from either east or west. I hope it's clear. So this is all about filtering data based on single conditions or single condition or multiple conditions. So like this, you can frame different questions and you can try to answer them. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.